7 o'clock in the morning. Just had dos café con leches. Y ahora volviendo al hotel en la playa. Es la playa Ocean Park. About 10 miles, maybe 5 miles from San Juan, Old San Juan. It's very easy to get there. And it's a perfect spot for an urban beach, yet far enough away. Very similar to Rockaway in many respects. No parking on the street on the weekends. See the beach? Buenos días.